Hi there, Missy at missygoesboating.com. I decided to get out of the city for a few days and hang out on my boat. So I'm up here at Vancouver Island in Center Bay. And I wanted to just remind you about the Bluewater Cruising Women on Water seminar that's coming up Saturday, April 12th. It's held in Sidney, British Columbia. There's a number of different speakers on lots of topics like weather and docking. And I'm going to do a fun seminar. I wish this seminar had been around when I started boating, but I'm going to go over all the systems on your boat. So I've got some good drawings, lots of details, so you can figure out where everything is. I've got a really comprehensive booklet so you can go down to your boat, fill in all the parts, and you'll know what you have. It's a basic course, so don't be afraid that it's going to go over your head. We're going to start with the basics and then build on it a little bit. So I'm really looking forward to seeing everyone. Again, Bluewater Cruising. I'm going to put the links down below and I hope to see you there.